The Singapore government says it will continue to work with the construction industry to explore new and innovative means to reduce the country's reliance on sand. The National Development Ministry cited the polder development in Pulau Tekong as an example of a land reclamation project that needs less sand.
A polder is a piece of land in a low-lying area that has been reclaimed from a body of water by building dikes and drainage canals. Yesterday, Reuters reported that Malaysia had imposed a ban on all sea sand imports in October to clamp down on illegal smuggling.
The news agency added that the move could hurt Singapore's land expansion plans. Singapore imports 59 million tons of sand from Malaysia last year.
And that figure from a UN trade database does not distinguish between types of sand. Malaysia has clarified that while a ban on exports of sea sand has been in place since last year, river sand is still being exported.
He also said its ban on sea sand exports was due to environmental concerns.
As far as we are concerned, it is a collective decision that we have done in order to stop sea sand exportation.
But for river sand, do we still continue to export to Singapore for river sand?
River sand, yes. We river sand, the countries that we allow exportation of river sand is quite clear. If there's a demand, we will.
Former Natural Resources Minister Wan Junaidi Tuanku Jaafar said that the ban on exports of sea sand had been in place since the previous administration. Speaking to CNA, he said that in 2016, Barisan Nasional, the then ruling coalition, allowed the export of river sand. He said that was because rivers were becoming shallow and estuaries were clogged, and millions had been spent to dredge and deepen riverbeds.
And the government will spend a lot of money on that. So that's the reason behind why not we just take the sand and sell it off.